Coming to you today showcasing one of our newest listings. We are at 1280 Cape St. Clair Road in Annapolis, Maryland in the Cape St. Clair community. The Cape St. Clair community is a great community to come move to, or if you're already located here, it's very popular to stay in the community and move to a different space that now suits your best needs, whether it be multi-generational or a growing family or downsizing. This is a 4-bedroom, 3 full bathroom split foyer model that was built in the early 70s but has since been remodeled. You're gonna notice as I walk around and give you a quick tour, loads of natural light. We're on the upper level here where you saw a living room space right off the upper entryway. You have 2 living room options in this home. We're currently in a dedicated dining room style area, and we're walking into an updated kitchen from 2022. So we have white kitchen cabinets, stainless steel appliances, extra countertop space, granite countertops, and a door that leads to your backyard, which is fully fenced, and you have a great big deck outside that will easily fit a grill, barbecue, and patio table or patio set. I'll show you a better picture view of the backyard from the primary suite and the big windows in there. As we travel throughout the upper level, there are 3 bedrooms upstairs, including the main primary suite. And then you have additional 2 ancillary bedrooms off the hall. The hall does have its own full bathroom. And then this used to be probably the original big bedroom in the 70s. You have dual closets in this space. And then the closets are pretty deep, as well as a big closet in the additional bedroom, a linen closet in the hall. And then I'm walking into an addition created later for your big primary space. Dual closets in here as well, plus cathedral ceilings, attached full bathroom, and all the bedrooms do have ceiling fans, which is a great bonus. Here's that big window that I was mentioning earlier, and you can see what a great backyard space we have here at this property. Again, fully fenced, and then single gates on the left and right front side of the home. As we're walking through the split foyer model, I'm gonna step downstairs to the lower level and give you a sneak peek. We've made it downstairs and we are checking out a fully finished lower level. So down here is that second living option that I mentioned. So it's great if you want to have a den, informal living room, a playroom, but you got a big space behind me there. We're walking into what could be the 4th bedroom or flex space bonus room that is attached to a full bathroom. So this is great if you're multi-generational living or want a home office with a full bathroom on the same level, or want to utilize it as that 4th bedroom. Again, full bathroom here with standing shower. And then in front of me is that split foyer, so you go straight up and out to the outdoors. Down the hallway we have a dedicated separate laundry room. The washer and dryer are only 1 year old, which brings up that the roof is only 2 years old. Again, I mentioned the kitchen's 2022. We have public sewer and private well. With the private well, we have a water softener system, a water filtration system, so you can rest at ease with all your drinking water and usable water. You have an attached single car garage, so you saw the interior access here, and you're seeing we're in the garage space now, which is pretty rare for a split foyer model here in the Cape. And one great feature is this huge storage room off the single car garage, which would be ideal for like kayaks, bikes, everything that for all your outdoor, or shelving for paints, your cleaning supplies. So you have easy interior access to it, but you don't have it outside in the elements in a storage shed outdoors. So I think that's a really good feature that not a lot of homes have, as well as a single car attached garage that has easy access right to your lower level. This is a great find in Cape St. Clair. We are at 1280 Cape St. Clair Road. Just once again, and if you want to come check it out, let us know. But don't hesitate on this one. She is a real gem.